My name is Blake Badley, and I'm a glazier here at Allstar Glass. I got into this 8 years ago. A family member of mine offered me a job. Didn't know anything about it, and came in blind. But every day has been a learning experience, and it's a great time to come to work. We usually start, it's a 7 to 3:30, 8-hour days. We come in, we like to do safety inspections on all of our equipment, because safety, especially in this trade, is the main #1 key in my personal opinion. After our safety check, we like to get all our tools, everything set up, get the lifts running, get them warmed up. We go into the opening. We like to lay our sill pan down, which is a piece of metal that goes onto the sill, goes onto the ground of the building. And then we install our sill pan, and then we like to put our caulking down because it has to be waterproofed. You don't want any leaks happening. And so we just take it step by step, put the frame in, get it to where we like it, plumb level square, with our lasers and our tape measures, checking to make sure everything's right. And then once the frame is in, we like to caulk it, get it waterproofed. And then once the glass is ready, then we install the glass. What I love most is you learn something new every day. Like I said before, I came into this not knowing a single thing about glazing. I didn't even know what glazing was. But for the last 8 years, every day I come into this job, I learn something new. And that's the coolest thing for me. For me, being in school and graduating high school, I wasn't the best student. Sitting down in the classroom was hard to pay attention for me. But when I got here, on job site learning is a key. It's a key factor. You're doing hands-on work. It's the funnest part. And at the end of the day, once the glass is in the building and you walk away from the building and you look at it, there's nothing better. As a glass glazer, we are in charge of pretty much, I like to look at it as we are in charge of sealing up the building. If it wasn't for us, you just have an ugly building with a bunch of walls around it. But for us, it's nice to look in, you can look inside through the glass. But mainly, we are in charge of sealing up the building and making it look good, in my personal opinion. It's a great income. You can support your family off it. And what I like to tell those kids is I was once in your shoes as well. I was in high school, didn't know a single thing what I was going to do when I graduated. I didn't apply for any colleges. I know, especially nowadays, student loan debt is through the roof. But with a trade like this, you walk in, you get your foot in the door, and if you have a good head on your shoulders and you're ready to learn, then you're going to make it in this trade.